We've talked a little bit about the academic core in the College of Engineering, the majors and the minors. Now I'm going to talk about some of the things that our students will build around that academic curriculum. There are a lot of things listed on this slide, but I'm really just going to focus on the top two things because they're the areas that our students will focus on in the greatest proportion. The first is our project team program. Depending on who you ask, we have either the largest or the second largest project team program in the United States. We have currently 29 undergraduate student project teams that exist in the College of Engineering, and each year about a third of our undergraduate engineers are engaged in the project team program. What the engineers think they're getting out of the project team program is really the fun of engineering. They're actually building something, they're getting hands-on experience, they're innovating, they're trying new things, they're building a product or a service or a race car or a jet or something. They're actually getting their hands on engineering. That's not exactly why we put the project team program in place. We had an alum who realized that what students were really getting out of project team program was the soft skills, the human skills that you need to be a great engineer today. They need to understand how to work in a team. They need to understand how you address a problem that is a difficult problem with limited resources, a short time frame, and a group that has to move towards a solution. And they really have the opportunity to try the soft skills and develop better skills as teammates and team members on an engineering project team. A second piece is research. About 50% of our undergraduate engineers will get involved in research in some form during their time with us in the College of Engineering. That can be anything from volunteering in a research lab just to see if you like research, all the way up through students presenting papers at conferences. We have students that are getting their own patents. We have students that are running their own research groups in the College of Engineering. We view our undergraduate engineers as a vital part of the research community, and it's very viable at Cornell if you're interested in doing it to get research experience. Oftentimes our undergraduate engineers are bringing unique perspectives to the research labs. They're seeing things in ways that we're not seeing things. They're interested in innovation, and they're really interested in bringing fresh perspectives and ideas to the research table in the College of Engineering. From where I sit and what I see, the students who really take advantage of this well are the students that integrate these three pieces. They take a major, they associate a minor, they engage in a project team experience, they do some research, and they bring all these pieces together. It's a powerful combination, and it's a great way to get the most out of a Cornell engineering undergraduate education.